Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video we will talk about transform effects. So let's go to start. First of all, draw any shape over here. For example, I am creating a triangle over here. Take its stroke only. Change its stroke color to pink. Here we will apply gradient on its stroke. Now select this shape and go to effect, distort and transform, and click on transform. Here horizontal scale will be 87% and vertical scale will be 89%. Horizontal move will be -1 and vertical will be 3 px. Angle will be 4 degree and copies will be 15. Then click on OK. Here we can change its color just like this. Select your color pattern according to your own choice. Now I will round its corners. Now I am trying to apply this transform effect on another shape. Again go to effect, distort and transform, and click on transform. Horizontal scale will be 85%. Vertical scale will be 85%. Angle will be 2 degree and copies will be 30. Horizontal scale will be 95% and vertical scale will also be 95%. Click on OK. Change color according to your own choice. Just like this. Click on OK. Now we will apply transform effect on the star. Draw a star over here. Select it, go to effect, click on distort and transform, and then transform. Horizontal scale will be 90% and vertical scale will be 90%. Copies will be 15. Angle will be 2 degree. Click on OK. Change its color according to your own choice. Guys, I hope you would like my video. If you have liked, then don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.